Hello everyone, so super quick overview of MUSI app. It's a top music streaming app on App Store, one of the top ones compared to Spotify or Apple Music, and it's not a big company, but yeah, it's constantly in the top chart. So I was thought let's just do a quick overview of that. And basically it's just super well designed and super simple organized streaming service for YouTube music. So it doesn't have that huge library as Spotify, but you can get all the tracks, all the top artists nicely organized on the app, and you can stream that app via AirPlay or otherwise. Yeah, so let's just dive into it. So here is MUSI app. It is free app, but it's constantly in the top charts for music apps on App Store. I think I even read that it's not developed by a lot of people. It's probably even just like a single developer. But anyways, pretty awesome app here. So you can play all your favorite music for free and no subscription required. And it's mostly like YouTube music. So you can discard music. So it's basically really awesome like YouTube player, which seems is just better than a YouTube music app itself. So it lets you stream and organize music directly from YouTube, and it also can stream on any AirPlay, so it's also cool. And you can create playlists, get music in your car and all of that. So let's just open it up. So here's the app. This is how it looks like. You have like 4 tabs in the bottom. First tab, you just have my library. By the way, there is no sign up required. You just download it and start using it for free. So that's also pretty awesome. And yep. So here's my library. I can just search in it. If there is some song, I can just remove it. I can add it, or I can add to playlist. I can create new playlist. So let's go to playlists. So to create a playlist, I can add tracks or yep. So I can just from here create new playlist. Sorry, I forgot that. And then just tap done. So here's playlist. Can reorder it. I can add tracks. Just search for different tracks, but it's easier just to go to your search tab. From here, you basically can search everything via YouTube. So it's only like YouTube music. It's not Spotify, Apple Music library, just YouTube. So like whatever, let's just find something. Let's just add it, and then you can just add it to the playlist like that. Tap done. So that's that. When you just go to the search tab, basically you can see this discovery feed, which is similar to Spotify or to Apple Music, where you just have all these different charts like weekly bangers, just in, and all of that. TikTok, so music from TikTok. Then there are genres. Then there is a mood playlist, so it's pretty similar to Spotify. And if you notice, there are like ads here. So of course you can remove ads in the paid version. Then you can see top tracks as well, top new tracks. Not sure if you can sort it by the specific country. But you can also just add all of these tracks to specific playlists in top right. And you can also shuffle play without shuffle play, and it's not a paid feature compared to Spotify, for example. Just shuffle play and it works. In top right you can do full screen of that. You can go to your queue. So that's also pretty awesome. So yeah, you can skip to next track, you can shuffle, you can add songs, add this song to playlist, you can access equalizer. So that's amazing. And then what's that? You can see even lyrics for some songs. And then you can AirPlay it as well. So like, I'm not sure about Chromecast, but at least it works with AirPlay. So that's amazing. So yeah, all these features for free, pretty nice. Then there are settings. You can enable dark mode. If you want to remove ads, it's paid service. It costs 49 Danish kroner. That's because it's a Danish account. So it's like, yeah, probably it's like $6 or something like that, $7. I don't know. It's different price in the United States. Then there's like settings. You can enable music quality. So there is high definition for free. You can clear search history. Then you can clear cache from here. You can enable sleep timer. You can log in with YouTube. So that's cool. And then if you want to reach out for support, you can go here and then contact them just via email. So that's that. So that is that. Pretty simple, but also quite nice to use. So then all the songs are added into your library. There are all these playlists. You can easily manage them. You can add your playlist from YouTube. You can add playlists from MUSI. So basically it's really nice, like a YouTube music player with ads. So yeah, and yeah, if you want to back up songs, you can do that. MUSI will back up your music automatically to your code whenever you start or leave the app. I'm not sure how that works. And yeah, probably if you open up this app on another device, you will be able to get all your songs, because there is no account. You don't need to create an account or something. You just have this code and then you can just transfer songs to other devices. So it's pretty smart as well. Yeah, you can restore in-app purchases. If you changed your device or something like that, you can easily restore that. So this is the app. Okay, let's just go through some FAQs here. So can you download music? No, you can't. You can import playlists from YouTube. You can delete playlist. You can just search in the search tab. MUSI uses 10-15 megabytes of data per track played on average. You can delete tracks. You can transfer music to new device. So that's what I just showed you. And you can edit track names and all of that. So hope this was helpful. Like and subscribe. Visit mrhack.io on the web. This is my website with a community where you can discuss apps like MUSI or other cool apps out there. And yep, thanks for watching. See you around.